Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy digital assets with Fidelity Investments, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy digital assets with Fidelity Investments, start by understanding the basics of digital asset management. Visit the Fidelity Investments website and log in to your account. Navigate to the Accounts and Trades section on the main dashboard. Select Digital Assets from the drop-down menu. Review the digital assets they offer and familiarize yourself with their features. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the deployment process. Fill out the required forms for digital asset deployment. Ensure you understand the terms and conditions associated with digital asset transactions. Provide the necessary identification and verification documents as requested. Once uploaded, your documents will undergo a review process. Monitor the status of your submission in the account dashboard. After approval, return to the Digital Assets section. Choose the specific asset you wish to deploy. Decide on the amount and type of transaction you want to execute. Input the required information for the deployment. Review the transaction details before confirming. Confirm the deployment to process the transaction. Keep an eye on your email for notifications regarding transaction confirmation and status updates. Access your trading history to track the performance of your deployed assets. Utilize the available resources and tools for managing your digital asset portfolio effectively. Stay informed about market trends and news through Fidelity's research and insight resources. Regularly assess your investment strategy based on your goals and market conditions. Consider reaching out to Fidelity's customer service for any questions or assistance during the process. Make use of educational resources offered by Fidelity to deepen your understanding of digital assets. Finally, maintain consistent oversight of your digital assets to ensure they align with your overall financial strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.